Children, today we will do map activity. I hope you all will enjoy this activity. Children, take a map of India and a pencil with you to enjoy this activity. On an outline map of India, we are going to mark the following: Tropic of Cancer, Thar Desert, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Himalayan Ranges, Northern Plains, Sundarbans, River Brahmaputra, Rivers Narmada, Tapti, Krishna, Kaveri. First of all, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. You can see on this map. Next is Thar Desert. It lies in the western part of Rajasthan beyond the Aravalli range and extends into Pakistan. The next is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands are in the Bay of Bengal. You can see on the map. They are bigger in size and comprise around 572 islands. They lie close to the equator and experience equatorial climate and have thick forest. Now see Himalayan mountains on the map of India. These mountain ranges form the northern boundaries of Indian subcontinent. The highest peaks of the world are located in this range. The Himalayas extend from Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Children, the next landform we are going to show on the map is the northern plain. You can see on this map the green area is the northern plains. The Great Plains of northern India lie on the south of the Himalayas. They are in fact bounded by the Himalayas on the north and the Deccan Plateau on the south. These plains stretch for about 2400 km from east to west and 200 to 400 km from north to south. They cover an area of about 5,80,000 square kilometers. Children, next is Sundarbans. The Sundarbans mangrove forest, one of the largest such forests in the world, lies on the delta of the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers on the Bay of Bengal. It is adjacent to the border of India's Sundarbans World Heritage Site inscribed in 1987. The site is intersected by a complex network of tidal waterways and small islands of salt-tolerant mangrove forest and present an excellent example of ongoing ecological processes. This area is known for its wide range of fauna, including 260 bird species, the Bengal tiger and other threatened species such as Assurine crocodile and the Indian python. Children, next is Brahmaputra river. You can see on the map the red line shows the Brahmaputra river. This river originates from Mansarovar Lake near Kailash Parvat and enters into India through Arunachal Pradesh and it passes through Assam Valley and then enters into Bangladesh. It flows through Bangladesh and then it joins the Bay of Bengal. Children, now we will show some South Indian rivers on the map of India. First of all, Narmada. Narmada river flows from east to west direction. It joins Arabian Sea. And below Narmada River you can see Tapti River. It is also flowing from east to west and it also joins Arabian Sea. Below Tapti and Narmada you can see Godavari River on the map. It is flowing from west to east. Now Krishna River you can see below the Godavari River. It is also flowing from west to east and joins Bay of Bengal. Then you can see Kaveri River. It is in the southernmost part of India and it is also flowing from west to east direction. It joins the Bay of Bengal. Now observe these landforms minutely and show all of them on your map and paste this map in your notebook. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this map work. Thanks for watching the video.